Exploring cyclic quadrilaterals in geometry. So we'll start here. If there's anything there, remember File, New, but we've got nothing, so there's nothing to do. We'll start off with a circle. Here's the circle tool. Tap once for the center, once for a point on the circumference. We can change the circumference. If we go a little bit too big, we can always tap equals to bring it back into scale there. The auto scale hotkey is the equals, remember. Now our next job is to complete drawing using the line segment tool the rest of our quadrilaterals. So we'll tap onto B, tap onto a point on the circumference, tap onto C, tap onto a point on the circumference, tap onto D, once more, and finally back up to B. So we've got ourselves a cyclic quadrilateral. Next, off to the measurement toolbar, and we want to measure this angle here and the one opposite it over here. Now to start with, we've got this fella, so we'll tap onto this icon which pops a copy out here. I'm just going to call this angle B. So we'll get the keyboard up, go to the ABC tab and get capital letters and choose B is equal to and tap execute. If I hide the keyboard for a second and tap deselect everything, you can see it's saying B is 92.1. We'll do the same for this angle. We'll choose it, tap onto the icon at the left hand end there, get the keyboard up and name this as angle D is equal to and tap execute. Hide the keyboard again. Now an alternative method for doing this is to attach an angle as well. So we could draw attached angle by selecting the two sides and do the same over here. If we again select the two sides, then we can attach an angle into here, and you'll notice D and B are kind of pairing up obviously there. Now what we're interested in is what happens to these two as we move our points around. So maybe let's start off by selecting point C here, and if I move it a little bit to the right over to there, what's going on with these two angles here? Let's choose a different one. What about if I take D, move D up to here a bit, move D up to here a bit more maybe? Can you spot what is actually going on with these angles? Maybe we'll put D back down over here. Looks like it's something to do with what they add up to, isn't it? It's kind of a familiar. And there is another way of looking at this on the cyclic quadrilaterals too in the advanced videos you might like to have a look at.